everybody! Holy fuck, cute voice crack. It's been a while since I filmed. Hey guys, it's Sammy B here, with a new vehicle. It's not mine, but kind of. No, it's not. But I thought I would give you guys a little bit of tour, because this is something that I will be driving for a while, and it is way different than my Solara. Sorry, I heard a bug and I was like, it's February. Wait, what is this? Why is there no snow? Well, let me tell you, there's been quite a few changes in the last couple months. I don't know if you can see there. Those are mountains. Where are you? And that's a field. Where could you possibly be? Canada. Alright, so let's move on with this video. Alright, so today I am driving a, oh fuck, what is it? I don't even know. A 2500 Dodge Ram turbo diesel. I don't know why I'm laughing so much. I'm so nervous, honestly. Alright, so why am I driving this? Doesn't matter. Solara's gone. I'm sure you guys saw that in my last video. But she'll never be forgotten. So please make sure you like my video, subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Fuck, this is horrible. So here's what the dash looks like. Here's the beautiful emblem. Here's the steering wheel. Here's my sexy chubby white legs. This is the dash. Very nice, very nice. Here's some meat, a card, a pine cone. Sorry. So this is what the roof looks like. Yeah, this thing needs a good detail, but it's all good. Got the back window open because it's fucking nice out. And yeah, so this is the inside. We've got power windows, power locks, power everything. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh yeah, it's manual. So sorry, manual. You see this? Pretty sick. It was not originally manual. The owner did a manual swap a couple months ago. And here is the Smarty tuner. So if you guys want to see more about this Smarty tuner, please hit a like button. The like button. This one right there. Like it. And I will make you some more videos on this because it is fantastic. I mean, we have everything from stock mode all the way up to level 9 Crazy Larry mode. It's pretty sick. We got a little boost gauge here. It lights up red. Everything's red. It's super fucking nice. Alright, so let's get out of this big bad boy. I will crack the hood for you, but not right now because I'm too small. Way too small. Also, there's the mountains. I really want to go, like right now. Look at them! Oh! Anyways, let's go outside and take a look at what she looks like. Okay, here we go. Make sure no one's coming. Good. Oh my god. My little gimpy legs. Oh! Okay. Woohoo! Alright. Yes, she's fucking dirty. She's dirty in a good way. Alright, so here she is. She's super fucking beautiful. We actually just installed those clearance lights on the top of the roof. That's why they look like they were done by a professional. Because we did it. And they look amazing. What do you guys think of them? I think they look fucking sick. And they turned out really good. Here's a little tour of the truck. Oh my god, there's fucking wasps! There's not supposed to be wasps in February. I'm so out of my fucking northern comfort zone. We got some big stacks on the back. Sexy, sexy. And here's the back. Oh yeah, she looks pretty fucking good. Yeah, there she is. A little bit of rust, but I mean, what do you expect? It's an what fucking year is this thing? God damn it, I should know this. 8? I don't know. I'm gonna get in trouble for not knowing. We got some Metal Militia. Just kidding. I don't know what brand of rims that is. Here's the box. I'm too small to see inside, so there you go. Look at Waz! Ah! Yeah, so anyways, here she is. This is what I'll be driving for some time. Yes, I know, crazy, right? I mean, like, look at me in this thing. This ain't no Solera. But it's the fucking funnest thing I've ever driven. So much fun, also manual. It's loud. I don't know what else to say. It's just like the fucking sickest thing I've ever had. Besides the Solera. Because we all know that she'll always be our favorite. But yeah, so anyways, if you guys want to see some more, I mean, I'll probably add some more, I'll actually probably do that in another video. We'll look under the hood together. We'll look everywhere you want to see. So let me know what you guys want to see next, especially if it has to do with this truck. Please like this video because please, it would help me out so much. Please subscribe. That would actually help me out most. So like, please help me reach my goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers. I'm not even halfway there yet. Come on, guys. I try so hard. The mountains, the moon. Hold on. There it is. The moon, the mountains. That's what these tires actually stand for. Mountain moons. Mountain moon rims. Okay. Anyways, do you want to hear it start up? I know you do. But are you subscribed yet? That is the question. Booty. Okay. Ow. Let's go. Let's struggle. Oh, fuck. Okay. 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 Woo. All right. You ready? I don't think you're ready for this. Okay. I don't think you're ready for this. But we're gonna do it anyways. So get ready. You've never heard anything like this before. Some Canadian trucks, I tell ya. We know what's up. Just putting on lip chat. All right. Are you ready? Here we go. If that doesn't put a smile on your face, I don't know what the fuck's wrong with you. Listen to that kitten purr. God damn, that she's raw right there. I'm so silly. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to drive this thing for you. I'm on gravel, so I'm not gonna give her, you know what I mean? And it's not mine, so I can't be crazy with it. But safety first. Always wear your seatbelt. Boom, just like that. Take off the brake. Boom, done, just like that. Let's take your first spin. I usually start in second because this thing is very high torqued. Here we go. I love this thing! This is third. Fuck me! And this is fourth. Oh! Hot damn, baby! That sounds so good! And this is fifth. Yeah! I'm probably gonna stay in fifth because I'm not gonna go crazy fast. But yeah! sponsor me, that would be fucking fantastic. I will sell anything you want. That sounds wrong. Not anything. Not anything. We gotta be respectful because we are now in the residential area. Can't be too crazy. Although, sometimes we like to have a lot more fun. It's so beautiful out. I can't believe it's like spring. I've never experienced spring in February, except for when I went to Maui, but that's a little different, I think. Yeah. I've never experienced spring in February in Canada. I fucking love this thing. I love it. And you could love it too for only $22,000. For real though, make me an offer. Okay guys, what'd you think? Windows. Smells like freshly burnt diesel. Turbo diesel. Ugh, I need more coffee. What could be more Canadian than this? Big old Dodge 3/4 ton, 1 ton with the clearance lights, and a nice cute little Tim Hortons coffee with a white lid to match my white pants. What do you guys think? What did you guys think of this video? What did you guys think of this truck? Pretty nice, hey? Please like this video, please subscribe, and I don't just mean please, I mean you better fucking do it. Smash that like button, suck that like button, click it, and subscribe. Please help me reach my dream of hitting 1,000 subscribers. I am poor as fuck, and I need help. I really do. I really do. The financial situation is rough. R-U-F-F. As I'm driving like this fucking $22,000 truck. Oh well. Like I said, it's not technically mine. This part, you will love it. Ready? Oh. Oof. I love this thing. Alright then. Well, now that you are liked and subscribed, you can be on the lookout for more videos. What do you want to see next? Ball joints on this thing? A U-joint? Under the hood? I bet you want to see under the hood. Well, you're going to have to subscribe and wait for my next video in a couple days. So make sure you are subscribed.